You imported calcium metal from China. Today we will some market information. Okay, then if you are interested in the or other thoughts, welcome to share with us. Leave your message to you about this product. Yes. Okay. The There I want to share um, detailed detailed information. Yes, and you can have more information about this product. Also, picture of this product and properties. Um, about the calcium. Today I want. I think it involve more. Well known in recent years, the demand for clean steel in secondary metallurgy among various dioxidizers and modifiers calcium may be holding state in 2025. With whether used in the form of granules, lamps, or cold wear in high-performance steel and alloy production, from advanced automotive steel to specialized stainless grades. The need for effective inclusion modification and cycle control is greater than ever. Stable material in high-performance steel and alloy production, from advanced automotive steel to specialist stainless grades. The need for effective inclusion. Yes, and why calcium metal is a highly effective agent in steel refining for several key purposes. The first is moment. Mhm. Introduce introduce the key purpose of calcium oxygen levels in molten steel, forming stable oxides. And the second is the separation. It can be removed easily. The third is inclusion shape control. It transforms the particles, improving ductility and static resistance. This provides as automotive components, bearing and spring steel. My friends, if you are also work with this uh, clean steel, if you uh, in learn in uh, inquiring about contact us to get more calcium metal information. Yes, and about the calcium granules, and the second is the calcium lamps. The third is the calcium weir. Depending on the specific refining process and furnace type, steel makers may choose from multiple forms of calcium metal. Future with you, and yeah, click our website, the www.zferroalloy.com, and pictures in this page. And if you want to get more pictures to get them, yes. And for those the three forms is more is higher than 98.5%. Yes, and the difference size is lower than is lower, and the length is about 10 to 50 millimeters. As for the calcium wire, uh, the diameter is about 9 to 13 millimeters. Yes, and calcium granules um, refining. The calcium lamps is alloy production. Is used in continuous casting, secondary metallurgy. Calcium granules has is fast melting, high reactivity. Uh, compared to has a stable composition and easy handling. For the calcium wire, uh, the different uh, the different features different application form of calcium metal. It depends your choice depends on steel grade, equipment setup, and cost performance consideration. Despite global raw material like fluctuations, calcium metal demand remains resilient in 2025. In addition, several regions are seeing an uptick in usage. Southeast Asia, EAF-based mini mills, where caviar and granules are widely applied, blending European markets guided by strict inclusion control standards with the transport of calcium metal is often purchasing is reactivity and oxidation risk and improper. That's why we take multiple steps to ensure product stability from packaging to shipment. Are vacuum packaged or sealed in nitrogen-filled drums to prevent oxidation. Each batch comes with COA and third-party test certificate upon request. Uh, Pallet is the packaging 20 to 30 working day after payment confirmation. Of course, the lead time quantity you need. If you need one container, such as the 30 working days, but if you need uh, dinner, but there is a question because the calcium material when shopping, so it can't be it just it only can ship by one for this. Mhm. Okay, then about the final thoughts. Calcium metal may not be the flashiest alloy additive, but it remains one of the most quite quietly essential components in just an added value. Having a reliable calcium source can directly impact engineers or purchasing managers looking to optimize the refining steps or so we're I want to share the metal supplier because with over 70 years of experience in product from whatever the granules, lamps, and wear. Consistent quality with for sea transport, customer solutions for steel makers and foundries, and yes, and if you are interested in calcium metal, if you are to talk about it or uh, get more information about, welcome to contact us or leave your comments. Okay, hi. Are you interested in calcium metal or are you interested in ferroalloys? For you. Okay, now the next topic is about the ferrovanadium. The ferrova you have a good eyes, yes, and if you want to get the detailed information about the ferrovanadium, the first choice is to click our website and turn to the ferrovanadium, the page of the product picture, the specification, the uses, and the price production process. What aspects are for you? For the ferrovanadium, it's also known as ferrovanadium alloy. It's a kind of pent oxide with carbon in an electric furnace. Pent oxide by electric furnace silicon thermal method. Ferrovanadium is widely used as an alloy additive for smelting vanadium containing alloy steel and alloy cast iron, and is also used to manufacture components about three specifications. They are ferrovanadium, but mostly customers have increase uh, have more increase about the more 80, yes, and we'll know the higher the vanadium content is, and the price the the price the ferrovanadium higher. It's just the price is according to the one, also some uses in this product. The fourth is used as an alloying agent in steelmaking to improve steel. Second is added to stainless steel and other high-strength low-alloy steels, and special steels for the ferrovanadium are in high-temperature structural applications such as boilers, pressure vessels, and steels for forging like crankshafts and ball bearing magnets and superalloys. The fifth is also used widely used in spring steel, bearing steel, and cast iron. Hello Tina. Good afternoon. Today I'm fine. How about you? What product does the machine behind your produce? Uh, it's ferrochrome and nitride ferrochrome. Are you interested in them, or do you work with this product, ferrochrome and nitride ferrochrome? It's 那个叫什么？uh, the equipment is vacuum resistant furnace. Yes, to produce the ferrochrome and nitride ferrochrome, and it makes the production. It makes the production uh, have in fact, our chrome and nitride ferrochrome are the best-selling productions. Yes, because of its good quality and competitive price. Yes, because we are the producer of these productions. Are you interested in the producing process of this production? If you are interested in this, welcome to contact us to get. Now, we just introduced the ferrovanadium. I read. I have read. Yes, and let me share it with you today. It's about the ferrovanadium. Let me share the ferrovanadium article with you. This article is about ferrovanadium versus vanadium nitrogen alloy. It talks about which is right for your steel application. In the selecting the appropriate alloying element is pivotal for achieving desired mechanical properties, cost efficiency, and production consistency among the vanadium-based additives. Ferrovanadium and vanadium nitrogen alloy are prominent choice. First, understanding the we just get its information. We just learn briefly by our website. And now uh, let's learn composed of iron and vanadium. The vanadium content typically rate is ferrovanadium 80 80, containing approximately 82% vanadium. Production methods include silicon electric arc furnaces, resulting in a grayish silver crystalline solid. Vanadium pictures. Welcome to contact us to get the clear photos about the physical and chemical properties. The appearance is gray or silver semi-metallic crystalline solid. The melting point approximately 1480 摄氏度. Solubility about the solubility, it's insoluble in water. For the applications, the ferrovanadium serves as a universal hardened steel application. So the first is high strength low alloy steels, enhances. The second is also tall steels, improves wear resistance, and the second is tensile strength and corrosion resistance, vital for construction and infrastructure formation of vanadium carbide, refining green structures, and enhancing mechanical not properties. And the next is the main topic about the comparing ferrovanadium and vanadium nitrogen alloy. Just like our will both ferrovanadium and vanadium their application and benefits differ. For the ferrovanadium, its advantages. The second provides consistent mechanical property enhancements. The third is steel and tall steels. The consideration of ferrovanadium is the higher the vanadium content, the higher the price of ferrovanadium. Yes, content may lead to increased material costs. And then for the vanadium, the allows for reduced vanadium usage, about 20% less, while achieving similar mechanical properties. And particularly effective in macro. Its considerations may not be suitable for all steel grades, steel grades, and less established in certain applications compared to ferrovanadium. So, how to make the right choice? Maybe you wonder that. Choose if choose the ferrovanadium if your application involves steel grades where established practices favor ferrovanadium additions. Choose ferrovanadium if your consistency and predictability in mechanical properties are paramount. and choose the ferrovanadium if your production process are optimized for ferrovanadium integrations. And when uh, and uh, and when to consider vanadium nitrogen alloy if you are producing macroalloyed steels where cost efficiency is a priority. If your application can benefit, you are aiming to reduce vanadium consumption without compromising quality. So, in conclusion, ferrovanadium remains a versatile and reliable choice for enhancing steel properties across uh, various applications. Its well-established role in the industry favorite additive for many steel manufacturers, while vanadium nitrogen alloy offers advantages in specific contexts, particularly in cost-sensitive vanadium nitrogen alloy should be guided by your specific application requirements, cost considerations, sourcing options, consulting with us to ensure the alloy meets your precise needs. So, are you interested in these two productions? The ferrovanadium, vanadium nitrogen alloys? Leave your comment in our comment area or contact our inquiry. We the all of these ways can contact us. Welcome to your inquiry. Thank you. Okay, um, now final topic. Just let's choose the ferrochrome or nitrate ferrochrome. Just Tina uh have have been have interested in，对不对？The ferrochrome，嗯哼，关了呢。Okay, about the ferrochrome, let's read another ferrochrome article together. Okay, the article the topic of aerospace, the role of high purity ferrochrome in heat resistance. In the aerospace industry, materials capable of withstanding the extreme temperatures and corrosive environments are ensuring heat resistance superalloys used in jet engines, turbine rotors, and other critical aerospace components. First, the specification and the physical properties of a high-purity ferrochrome is typically created by its chrome content and impurity limits. A representative high-purity ferrochrome 75 is about 70% to 75% high chrome component. Yes, and the carbon usually lower than the carbon content is usually lower than is also lower than 1.5%. Okay, for the detailed specification, improve provide us uh, provides us um, the third part testing results about the test results. Please contact us. We uh, we have provided the high purity background uh, before, just about 1 month ago. Yes, 23.79, and the carbon content is yes, and mhm. And for the advantages of high purity ferrochrome, it delivers significant performance enhancement that demand exceptional corrosion resistance, thermal stability, and mechanical strength. It reduced impure superior alloy behavior under harsh surface conditions. Below is a detailed corrosion and oxidation resistance. High purity ferrochrome forms a dense adherent chrome oxide layer on steel surface, providing outstanding resistance to corrosive environments. Super high temperature. The second is a super high temperature performance. High purity ferrochrome retains steel strength and structural integrity at elevated temperatures, making it steel exchanger elements. The third is increased hardness, wear resistance, and mechanical strength. Mechanical strength. The high chrome content promotes the formation of hard chrome cavities, boosting surface hardness and wear life. Reduce the impurities levels results in a cleaner matrix, improving safeness and fatigue. Our factory uses the vacuum resistance furnace to produce the use this equipment have significant benefits. Common resistance furnace, which is cleaner and easier to control. Detailed advantages such as minimized oxidation. The vacuum environment virtually eliminates oxygen ingress, preventing preventing oxide inclusions that degrade mechanical properties. The volatile impurities, for example sulfur, phosphorus, more readily vaporize and separate under vacuum, achieving lower residuals. The precise uniform temperature distribution, ensuring consistent alloy such as our factory guarantee um, next is market demand and growth. And if you are interested in this article, or if you are interested in this, we are pleased to talk about it with you. Let's share its information with you. Whatever its price, its usage, its specification. Uh, Welcome to your contacts. Okay, okay. Today it's over. Let's see next time. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye. 这里拜拜。